Well, with recreational marijuana legal in California, law enforcement agencies throughout the state must now consider the future of hundreds of pot-sniffing dogs. Sharon Chin has the story you'll see only on KPIX 5.
In this demonstration, more than an ounce of marijuana is concealed. 6-year-old police dog Indy sniffs it out in seconds.
With how sensitive his nose is, I mean, he can find, a Q-tip.
And alerts his handler, Officer Steve Miller, who rewards him with a tennis ball.
That's a good job. How accurately can Indy detect marijuana?
100%.
The German Shepherd is one of 7 dogs in the South San Francisco Police Department trained to identify illegal drugs. With recreational marijuana now legal in California, will law enforcement still need pot-sniffing dogs? Some say no. Lompoc Police decided to retire its dog.
We felt like we couldn't use him the same way that we could prior to the change in the law.
But here in the Bay Area, many law enforcement agencies are keeping their cannabis-sniffing canines.
A police dog, the longer they're working, their value goes up.
Trained dogs like Indy can nearly double in value to $15,000 to $20,000 apiece.
Yeah.
And they are far from obsolete, according to Sergeant Marty Mahon. He supervises and trains South San Francisco's police dogs for certification.
At the schools, at the jails, we've done searches for them where there's contraband, we believe. They can't bring marijuana in there. Also, we go to shipping companies and try to deter them from shipping out marijuana to other states.
Dogs have played a vital role for us in prosecution over the years.
Like in federal narcotics searches and local cases where pot remains illegal. But the new marijuana law does pose new problems. While dogs like Indy are trained to sniff out marijuana, cocaine, methamphetamine, and heroin, they are not taught to single out which one they found or how much. So a dog alert alone is no longer enough for a police search.
Right.
San Mateo County Assistant District Attorney Al Serrato.
There wouldn't be a further search being done if the dog could not distinguish between marijuana and other controlled substances.
Police now need more evidence to search.
So we maybe need to ask more questions, do more interviews.
In other states with legalized marijuana, law enforcement has adopted different solutions. Some police in Washington have stopped training dogs to detect pot, or dogs get retrained to ignore the drug. Mahon is skeptical.
From my view, I think a dog that is certified and has been fully trained on marijuana, I think it would be difficult to take it completely out.
Mahon says South San Francisco police will still train new dogs to point out pot, but they'll keep an eye and nose on the changing role of their canine colleagues. Sharon Chin, KPIX 5.
California pot czar Lori Ajax says the issue of what becomes of pot-sniffing dogs is not something that she has even considered yet in these early weeks of legalized marijuana.